Hi guys, it's me Cameron and
I'm Felicity.
and today we're going to show you a really quick and easy waffle recipe. It's really simple, just takes 4 ingredients, about 10 to 15 minutes to make.
And you guys can even do this on school mornings if you hurry, can't you? Yeah.
So all you need is just 1 big banana or 2 small ones.
And you want kind of a slightly older one, right?
Yeah.
You want it a little
yeah,
bit.
like more brown spots.
Okay.
2 eggs, baking soda, and then almond, peanut, doesn't matter, but as long as it's some kind of nut butter. Okay, Felicity's got me the banana. Since it's a little too big, I'm just going to fold it in half and then drop it in the bowl. And go mash, 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 mash. I almost forgot. Today, for our oil, we're going to use wild orange. It's a great flavoring, but it also it's good for your body, nice defense. And it's just a great oil to use in cooking, so we're going to use it today. Okay, so now I've mashed my bananas. It's pretty pasty. There's a few chunks that I haven't been mashed up that big. Like they're kind of about maybe as big as this. As big as the spoon for a teaspoon, half teaspoon. But it's fine. You can have banana pancakes either way. So next, 2 eggs. Felicity has given me a half cup of the almond butter, so I'm just gonna set this aside. And then pour it.
Felicity, you want to go add the baking soda?
Okay, now Felicity's giving me a half teaspoon of the baking soda. Use the spatula, mix it all in. Make sure it turns brown. If you want to, you could add in flavors, like you could add in some cinnamon. You get cinnamon pancakes.
Ooh, cinnamon would be good.
Yeah.
You could add a little bit of cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. Anything that's some kind of powder, but it has flavor.
You could do your regular, like, walnuts. Felicity, you want to add anything?
Okay, so Felicity has gotten me some cinnamon. You could use a spoon. You can just pinch it. As long as you get it in. Pour that in.
Looks like about 1/4 teaspoon of that, right?
Yeah. Maybe a bit more.
Felicity, you want to add the wild orange oil?
Yeah. Aim for 3. You always get 4 if you aim for 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. We can use a bit more cinnamon. Mix that all in.
So Felicity, while Cameron finishes mixing, tell me, what things do we like to put on top of the waffles?
We like to put on bananas,
Fruit.
blueberries, some butter.
Butter for sure. Maybe a little bit of maple syrup, but we don't need much.
Sometimes we know that there's almond butter in it, but sometimes you can just do like almond butter sandwiches.
Yeah, you could do like some jelly and almond butter and make like waffle PB&J.
Yeah, like about 2 weeks ago, I made this new thing and I called it pan and nutty because pan as pancake, nut as a nut, and honey as honey. And it's really simple. Just get 2 pancakes, shred it up, add in like 2 spoonfuls of almond butter, and then give like a 5-second squeeze of honey. Mix it all up. You got a good snack there.
You could even do the elderberry syrup, like do some butter and elderberry syrup on top.
Yeah, we kind of use the elderberry syrup as a syrup actually some of the time to replace the maple syrup.
All right, should we go check the waffle iron, see if it's ready?
All right.
Give it a good shake.
All right, nice and ready. Put that aside. And just pour in the batter.
Yeah. And these cook really fast, so Felicity,
About 2
want
to
to set a
3
timer
minutes.
for 2 minutes?
Put the lid on. There you go.
All right, we'll check it in 2 minutes.
Okay, so we've finished our waffles, and they're cinnamon wild orange waffles.
If we don't eat all these, they'd be a great snack for later. And all right, anything else you want to say about them?
Other than bon appetit, you may eat.